I've marked out where I'm going to drill the holes for the base of the vise. I'm gonna just mark them now with the drill bit so I can see them on the table, and then I'm gonna take the paper off. I don't wanna destroy the paper in case I have to move it or try to do it again. And as you can see, I moved it once, so you can see I've already done the drilling and I didn't like the way I had it. So this is why you don't destroy the stencil. I made a copy with an actual copy machine and it did not come out perfect. So even though it was copied perfect, the crosses where these things are marked out were not in the exact same place. I checked them against the actual stencil here, up against the light, and they were not the same. So I couldn't trust the copy, so I have to use the original, which is what I'm about to do. And I'm just gonna mark where these holes are gonna go, and then I'm gonna go back through them with this huge drill bit. So it's gonna be 11/16 when I go back through it, but I just wanna be able to see it, because if I put the 11/16 through the stencil, I'm pretty sure it's gonna destroy the stencil, so I'm only gonna get one shot that way. So, also this is not the good table, so I'm not really going nuts over it. Just making little marks. At first I was trying to line it up with this hole and trying to enlarge that hole, but it didn't work out the way, and I wasn't gonna be able to get the drill bit through there nice and perfect, so I moved it over so I was going through just fresh wood and no hole. So let's see how this goes. Just getting the drill prepped for the really big bit. Now when I'm doing this on the half-inch plate, I'm gonna be real scientific about it, but for right now, I'm not gonna be terribly crazy over it. Is this too far back? Find out. Just check and see how we're doing so far. All right, that's perfect so far. And those are the two holes. Look like they're in good position. All right, that looks perfect. Let's get some hardware. This is the hardware they want you to use. This is at least grade 5/5/8. feel like I want these things to be a little longer. But they sit in perfect. Oops, I'm not gonna get a washer on it. Perfect. When I do this on the steel table, I'm going to run it through the frame in 2 different areas with actual square tube. So it'll be a little different. Alright, the whole table is going to move before this thing does. Excellent. So that was it. Really very simple. The 11/16 drill bit, that's this. It's a really big drill bit. You're not going to get it at Home Depot. You're not going to get it at Lowe's. You have to try and maybe find it online. It's a really big drill bit. And the hardware you're probably going to want to find online also. But once it's on here, this thing is really on. Yeah, perfect. That's it.